Hello, grade 7 students. In this presentation, we are going to identify how do animals choose their food, how do they capture their food, and how do they consume their food. We're going to identify the terms prey and predator. Already we identified what the meaning of a herbivore, animals that consume food of plant origin, carnivore, those that consume food of animal origin, and omnivore, those who consume food of plant and animal origin. Chapter 1, Activity 2, Identifying and Choosing Food. First, how does this baby identify this bowl? How would the baby find the bowl? Through specific organ inside the body which called the sense organ. It is the eye. So, before we begin, what the meaning of prey and what the meaning of predator? Prey is the animal eaten by another animal. This animal that eats the prey is called the predator. So let's start first. Prey, an animal killed or eaten by the predator. Let's see first with the falcon. The eyes of the falcon permits detection of prey. So the eyes, they are called the sense organ, while the sense is called vision. The bat emits ultrasound, which are reflected by the prey. So first, the echo is received by the ears. The ears, they are the sense organ, while the sense is hearing. The ant recognizes its food by antenna. Here's the antenna is the sense organ, while the sense is touching and smelling. The dog sense of smell allows it to trace its prey. So the sense organ, the nose, while the sense is the smell. Here the table, sense and sense organ. As I said, eyes, so the sense is vision. Sense organ, ears, hearing. Touching and smelling for the ant, antenna. The nose for the dog is for smelling. We have two experiments here. Two colored and empty sacks are presented to the grasshopper. One of them is green and the other is yellow. What is the variable factor? What is the difference? From now on, you have to use the word variable and not the word difference. The difference is in grade 6 or grade 5, we can see the difference. From grade 7, we have to talk about the variable. So the variable here between these two experiments is the color. Two colored empty sacks, they are presented to the grasshopper. One is green and the other is yellow. What is the result? Result, the grasshopper, they are attracted toward the green and not the yellow. The second experiment, two sacks, they have the same color made of tissue permeable to odors, are presented to the grasshoppers. One of them contains herbs and the other contains sand. The result is the grasshoppers are attracted to the one containing herbs and not the one containing sand. To the grasshopper, we have to know some parts. Antenna in the grasshopper, they are for touching and smelling. The eyes for vision, and we have the palps for tasting.